Here we have the main menu for the Gradebook Setup Wizard. At the top, we see two alert messages in red. These messages are referring to the third column of this table down here. This column lets us know which steps in the Setup Wizard are required for the system to work. So as we can see, there's a letter Y in this column next to the first part of Step 1, setting an overall calculation method, and another one next to Step 5, Set Display Options. As you make your way through the various steps in the Setup Wizard, as long as you go through Step 1 and Step 5, the red error messages will go away. And as you may have noticed, this last column, the column for Settings Found, is blank, because we haven't done anything yet. So in a nutshell, in Step 1, we're going to be choosing one of the three options for calculation method. In the next video, we'll go over the different methods and how they work, along with some pros and cons of each. The second half of Step 1 is where you'll enter the percentages that correspond to the different letter grades, i.e. 90% and above is an A, 80 to 90% is a B, and so on. Steps 2 and 3 become relevant if you choose certain overall calculation methods. So if you pick assignment weighting, for example, then you have to define assignment categories, and then a Y will appear in this third column. Step 4 is where you choose if you want to let other instructors teaching the same class to be able to copy your gradebook setup. But this isn't one of the required steps, so if you don't click on it, no problem. Step 5 is where you set your display options. For example, do you want your gradebook forms to still show students who've dropped or withdrawn? Do you want students to automatically see their grades right after you enter them? We'll go over all these steps later in more detail. And finally, Step 6, permanently delete your gradebook. It's just a smidge too close to the Submit button, so you want to be really careful anytime you're on the Setup Wizard main menu screen that you don't accidentally click on it. There is a confirmation screen if you do accidentally click on it, so you have a chance to go back to the main menu and not erase everything, but still, it's good to just be aware that this link is there. In our next video, we'll go over the different choices for your overall calculation method.